Shankill Road Mission, closed in June 2009. The Shankill Road Mission was founded by the Reverend Henry Montgomery, a moderator of the Presbyterian Church who was involved in the signing of the Covenant. Montgomery was a man of vision and zeal, whose pioneering social work had a major impact on the lives of many Shankill people over the years. When he visited the Shankill one Sunday evening, he found in the terraced streets conditions of extreme poverty, disease, ill health, drunkenness and promiscuity. He saw children with little hope for the future being conditioned to this way of life as they carried beer pots home to their parents. Montgomery held a public meeting to highlight the plight of the Shankill people, and supported by friends and local businessmen, it was decided to conduct a mission, which started in a traditional Ulster way, in a tent. A large tent was erected here in the summer of 1896, and the initial 7-week mission attracted such large congregations that it continued for almost a year. The tent was replaced by a temporary wooden structure, which was used until the mission building was opened in 1897. One of the mission's most popular ventures was the children's trips to the seaside at Bangor, where a fresh air colony was formed. In 1910, a holiday home for girls was opened, and in 1923, an accommodation unit for mothers and babies. By 1932, 2,000 children had visited the boys and girls' homes at the fresh air colony, which had playing fields and sports facilities. Under Montgomery and his successors, the Shankill mission flourished through difficult times. It helped people cope with the suffering and trauma following World War I. A war memorial now dominates the entrance hall. The mission was there to help during the influenza epidemic of 1918 to 1919 and the sectarian violence of the 1920s. It offered support in times of rising unemployment and hardship in the early years of Northern Ireland. When Montgomery died in 1943, the Shankill came to a complete standstill. Businesses and shops closed, and thousands lined the pavement in tribute to the Shankill shepherd. The Shankill Road Mission closed in June 2009, as agreed in the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of Ireland.
We had what we call Bangor Home. It was a big house on the High Donaghadee Road, and there was a house on the side of the road for boys and one on the other side for girls. Now, when you went down there, you're more paid a shilling a week, and you paraded out there into a tram. The tram brought you down to the Great Northern Railway. You get into a train. You were always under supervision, like they weren't running about doing what you wanted. And they brought you had to walk in from the railway station in Bangor out to the house. And I thought it was great, like you're in Bangor for a whole week, you know.